Hey guys, today I'm gonna do an unboxing of one really interesting device. It's called Intuition Pro and it can train our intuition. Could you imagine that intuition can actually be trained? I was really surprised when I heard about it, because whenever I made some wrong decision based on my intuition, I just thought that my intuition is bad. But turn out it actually directs us to the right decision, and it's been scientifically proved. We just sometimes don't know how to read the intuition signals. So this device can teach us. Let's see what's inside. I'm really excited. Okay, so this is the device that is gonna analyze our intuition signals, our body reaction when we make some decision. And these are the sensors which we have to connect to our fingers, and then they will send the signals to this device. Let's see how it works. Okay, this part is ready, sensors are connected to the device, and now to train our intuition, there is an app called Intuition Pro, where we have to connect to the device. To check if the device is working properly, we go to live reading. Once we see the blue line coming, it means that everything is correct. And now for training the intuition, there is a set of training quizzes where you have to decide what is the right choice only with your intuition. There's gonna be no questions, no knowledge needed, just your gut feeling. So now I'm really excited to start training my intuition, and next time I'm gonna share my results. So thanks for watching and see you later.